Okay. This specimen is a heron or egret. Long neck, long bill, long skinny legs. That is in order Saconiformes. This is a duck, flat bill, thick breast, webbed feet. And the duck is going to be in Anseriformes, order Anseriformes. And this is going to be a roadrunner. This is in order the roadrunner is going to be in order Cloculiformes. So cuckoos and roadrunners. This is the common nighthawk. This is going to be in order Caprimulgiform. Caprimulgiform. This is a shorebird. This is going to be in order Charadriformes. This is a sparrow. This is a songbird. This is an order Passeriform. And this is an owl. It's going to have a round face, hooked beak, long talon, short neck. And owls are in order Stringiformes. And this is a bobwhite quail. I'm sorry, no, take that back. This is not bobwhite quail. This is actually a songbird. Colaptus auratus. Colaptus auratus. This is a strong beak. This is a woodpecker. This is an order Piciform. Not Passeriform, Piciform. P-I-C-I. And beside it, you have order Falconiform. Notice the very curved beak and the long talons. It's for holding prey. This next specimen is a grouse. Notice that very thick breast, like a turkey or chicken. And this is in order Galliformes. Galliformes, order Galliform. It's going to be shaped like a turkey or chicken. Quail. It's a grouse. And this next one is a bobwhite quail. This is also in order Galliformes. Galliforms, chicken shape. This next one is a pigeon, which is in order Columbiformes. You notice it has a very large shaped breast muscle.